How to fix the issue of monetization not available in your country with your mobile phone. At the end of this video, this issue will be fixed. Open any browser on your phone. Type youtube.com. Click here. Scroll up and select Request for Desktop Site. Click on your profile at the right top corner. Click on your channel and select Customize your channel. You will be redirected to YouTube Studio. Click here. Click at the settings at bottom left corner. Click on Channel. Select Country of Residence. Click Save. Now let's go back to YouTube Studio application. Refresh the application. This issue has been fixed. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.